You're just a few steps away from connecting your Kenmore Elite Smart Room Air Conditioner. To begin, download the free Kenmore Smart AC app from the Apple Store or Google Play. Next, you will need to create an account. Enter your full name, email, and password. Please verify the account by clicking the link sent to your email address. Once your account has been validated, reopen the Kenmore Smart AC app and accept the terms of service. Then enter your preferred contact number for customer service support. Your account is now registered in the Kenmore Smart AC app. When you are ready, tap Scan. You may need to allow Kenmore Smart to access your camera. Next, open the front panel of the air conditioner and find the QR code. Then, wait for the QR code to scan. Your air conditioner's product and serial numbers are now registered in the Kenmore Smart AC app for your convenience. Next, enter a room name for your air conditioner. If your Bluetooth is not enabled, tap the button below to turn on your device's Bluetooth. Please wait while the Kenmore Smart AC app looks for a Wi-Fi connection. Select your home's Wi-Fi network and then enter the password. Now your Kenmore Elite Smart Room Air Conditioner is fully connected and ready to go. The Kenmore Smart AC app is also compatible with Amazon Alexa. Connect now for comfort control. Kenmore, be amazing.